I leave this carefully. Mimi! Don't ruin the... She's so cute though. I leave this carefully crafted creation in your care. I trust you will put this wonderful set to good use as much as I trust your gambits on the battlefield. Thanks. May your aim always be true and your strategy always be sharp. And they wrote it in Arabic on the back. Oh my god. My Moroccan roots, bro. My parents, I think, are gonna visit.
I'm doing the best I can. This is the best I can with the size sword I've got. Okay? It's hard to work with a sword this size.
320 is still on round 2 Polito at the moment.
Lead square bank. Lead square bank. Orange car. Orange fucking Robin.
Oh,
Robin.
Nail this damn thing.
Piece of shit. Oh, fuck.
Damn it.
Well,
are you shitting?
It was worth. It was worth. It was worth. You had to. You piece of shit. Come here. Come here. You fuck.
Get fucked, Benchguuuuuuuuuuuuuuy.
The voice trailing off was so funny.
Where'd he go?
Yeah, didn't he have repair?
Thank God, it's toilet time. I couldn't poop the whole trip. Usually I pull my pants down first, but I just can't help myself today. Why? That's better.
Thanks for inviting me. Enjoy cleaning up. Enjoy cleaning up.
Typical men, dude. Just not helping.
Let's be honest, you love cleaning, don't you?
Not doing anything useful because I'm a woman. So I like cleaning.
Because...
Smile, hi.
Two out of showers, so I might be good for 5 now.
Boom, there it is.
You know what I'm saying? Like, I go by 2, then I go 5,
Kinda
then
bussin'.
I kinda get 6.
Kinda bussin'. Sheesh.
Yeah,
It's
I'll
actually
stop
insane. I like it a lot. I'm really happy with it.
This is another situation where I'm like, if I get the chance to heal, I probably should. Just to lower the chance that I get one-shotted, I'm taking it. It didn't work out. That happens. I'm doing it again. It didn't work out. That happens. He's so annoying. He's actually so annoying. I'm doing it again. It didn't work out. That happens.
Shouldn't you fix a car? You're missing a door.
Shouldn't you fix your driving? You're going twice the fucking speed limit.
Yeah, but I'm not crashing.
Okay.
But I will slow.
Mia Malkova just sent over 20 Mia Malkova flashlights. Would you like one?
No.
Oh, okay.
I do want one though. I want to try it.
Okay, man.
What?
What, man? I've never tried it before.
All right, I call the cat. I want to
What?
be cute.
Uh-oh.
Never mind.
So.
Cobalt?
무궁화 꽃이 피었습니다. 무궁화 꽃이 피었습니다. If I see chat move, I'm gonna ban. So it has to freeze. 무궁화 꽃이 피었습니다. What the heck? All of you would die. All of you would die. 무궁화 꽃이 피었습니다.
Oi. Okay, boom, beep, boom, beep, boom, beep, boom, beep. Beep, bloop. Try that. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You want me to try whatever drug you must be on, or? I'm just kidding.
Oh my god.